This program is proudly brought to you by Telecom Limited and Daytech.
Good night, Papua New Guinea. I'm Malcolm Wyra and welcome to InFocus. In this session, we discuss the importance of life insurance in Papua New Guinea. Joining us for discussions, we have Mr. Nelson Singh, Country Manager for BSP Life PNG, and Mr. Matthew Hasu, Head of Sales at BSP Life PNG. Gentlemen, thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Malcolm, and thanks to EMTV for having us here tonight to discuss about International Insurance Awareness Day, as well as how life insurance can benefit everyday Papua New Guineans.
Now, firstly, Nelson, who is BSP Life PNG?
Malcolm, BSP Life PNG Limited is the life insurance subsidiary of BSP Financial Group Limited, the largest and most trusted bank in Papua New Guinea. Whilst BSP Life PNG commenced operations in 2018, our sister life insurance company in Fiji has been in operation for over 145 years. So in Papua New Guinea, we have presence in all the 4 regions, in Port Moresby, Lae, Mount Hagen and Kokopo. Our vision is to be the South Pacific's international insurer, and our purpose is to champion prosperity for the South Pacific. In line with our vision and purpose, we have developed affordable life insurance products for everyday Papua New Guineans that will help them have a secure and prosperous future.
How have you found the market in Papua New Guinea so far?
The market itself has been very challenging because of lack of awareness. There's a lot of people who still don't understand the importance and the benefits of having a life insurance product. So I do want to mention that life insurance or insurance in general is not just a product. It provides peace of mind. I mean, when you lose a breadwinner in the family, the financial, the emotional and the financial pressure that comes with it, insurance is there to alleviate that financial pressure, or ease that financial pressure during a very difficult time.
What would you say makes you unique in Papua New Guinea?
I think what makes us unique compared to other insurance companies in Papua New Guinea is that BSP Life PNG is the only insurer in country which offers a savings and protection insurance product. So if you go to any of the other insurance companies in the country, or life insurance companies in the country, the products that they'll offer you is only what we call a risk product. So if you pass away, you being the breadwinner passes away, then the family will get a benefit. But with our product, you can also benefit from the product itself by getting regular payouts every 3 years, and then you get bonuses as well. So I think that's very unique. So you can also look at our life insurance product as a savings or an investment product as well. Welcome. Our first product is the consumer credit insurance product, which is a life insurance cover which is bundled with BSP's unsecured personal loan portfolio. So this is a very good product because it covers about 90,000 plus of BSP's unsecured personal loan customers. The good thing with this life insurance cover is that it's provided free of charge. So BSP effectively pays the premium. BSP Financial Group Limited pays the premium to BSP Life, and is offered free to all the unsecured personal loan customers. So what happens is, if any of the borrowers passes away, then the outstanding loan balance gets paid in full, and the family or the next of kin gets 5,000 kina as funeral benefit. So just for all the customers out there, if you're thinking of taking out an unsecured personal loan, please be mindful that if you take that loan out with BSP, you'll be covered with a free insurance cover.
Now, Matthew, could you tell us about your product portfolio so far?
BSP Life currently offers 3 products that's on offer in the market. The first one is consumer credit insurance, group term life product, and Wantok Delight product. Consumer credit insurance is a insurance that's provided to financial institutions to cover for their unsecured loan balances. Apart from providing that security or cover for unsecured loan balances, we also offer, or there's an funeral benefit that's attached to that product. So in the event that a customer passes away, BSP Life does not only repay the unsecured or outstanding loan balances, but it also pays out funeral benefit to the beneficiaries of the deceased customer. to help with funeral expenses or house cry, something that's really expensive in PNG. Now, for BSP Life offers this product to BSP loan customers. So in the event that a BSP customer who has a unsecured loan with the bank passes away, BSP Life pays out that unsecured outstanding loan balance plus 5,000 kina to the beneficiary of the deceased customer. What happens in the case with BSP is that we offer that product free of charge. So customer does not pay any insurance cost or what we call premium on that product. So that's the first product. The second product is Group Term Life. Group Term Life product is an annually renewable product that's offered to associations or groups like employers. So they take out the cover for their members or their staff as staff benefit. So in the event that one of their staff passes away, BSP Life basically pays out the death benefit. This product is renewed annually, and it's provided 24 hours anywhere in the world. So if a person passes away and has a cover and is overseas and passes away, we can assess the claim and pay the claim. The third product is Wantok Delight, and that product is a flagship product. No one else in Papua New Guinea or no insurance company in Papua New Guinea offers that product. It is a long-term product that offers protection and savings benefit, like what Nielsen mentioned, particularly with this product. It's called Wantok Delight. Apart from the protection, we use that product to do awareness in terms of long-term savings. So one cannot only save in the bank, but you can also save through life insurance. By taking out a policy with BSP Life, there is discipline and long-term savings that this product offers. One of the benefits that this product offers is that it pays out regular cash payouts. And that regular cash payout, we call it survival benefit, and it's calculated as 10% of the death benefit. Let me just use an example to clarify this. So let's say a customer decides to take out a 50,000 kina policy, meaning that 50,000 is the death benefit or sum insured. So every 3 years, throughout the term of the policy, the cash benefit is paid out as 10%. So in this particular example, 5,000 kina, which is 10% of the total sum insured, will be paid out to the customer every 3 years throughout the term of the policy. There's 4 terms that the customer can choose from: 15 years, 18 years, 21 years, and 24 years. So whichever term that the customer chooses to take up throughout the term of the policy, every 3 years, 10% of the sum insured will be paid to the customer. And that benefit is tax-free.
Thank you, Matthew. We now go for a quick break. Join us on the other side for more discussions. Welcome back. You're watching InFocus. Now, Matthew, what is the current state of the insurance industry in Papua New Guinea?
Thank you, Malcolm. So insurance or life insurance in PNG has been around for some time through our Wantok system, which is like a social security system in PNG. And that is when, in the event of death, relatives chip in to meet the expenses, funeral expenses, house cry expenses, which are really, really expensive. But in today's modern world, you cannot really depend on this social security system, because the Wantoks that we usually depend on may not necessarily be there, especially in terms of families having school fees to pay, mortgages to pay. Families will not be there, or relatives will not be there to pay for this on a continuous basis. Therefore, it's very, very important that families take out life insurance, because it acts like a safety net. It is a responsible thing to take out life insurance, because you are thinking of what will happen in the event of untimely passing. A lot of people think of life insurance and associate that with death. which is a wrong perspective altogether. We should look at life insurance as a responsible behavior, responsible thing to do, and it's more around planning for the future. In the event of an untimely passing of a sole breadwinner, what happens? Will the families of the late person continue to live the life that they have planned to live for? In the event that a person has life insurance, that gives that assurance, that provides financial security. So life insurance is very, very important. BSP Life, in its pursuit to go out and do sales, we do a lot of awareness to ensuring that people understand what life insurance is and why it is important to take out life insurance.
Now, do you think the general population in Papua New Guinea, especially the economically active segment of our population, are adequately informed of the importance of insurance?
Life insurance in PNG, in terms of awareness, is very, very low. Not many people are aware of what life insurance is and why it is very, very important. That's why it's very important that there's a lot of awareness that's conducted. In terms of BSP Life and what we do, we have about 130 insurance advisors who go out, and as part of their customer onboarding process, they do a lot of onboarding, a lot of awareness. They do one-on-one presentations to individuals. They do also presentations to corporate organizations, telling them about what life insurance is and the importance of life insurance. They even travel to places like Daru, New Island, even Tari, around PNG. The product that we offer is affordable. Lowest cover that a person can take up is 7,000. Maximum is 250,000. An amount or a person who wish to take out a policy can, at least afford a 35 kina policy per fortnight. So we try to make life insurance affordable and accessible. That's why we have offices in 4 regions where people can access our services and know more about life insurance.
Now, Nelson, with the rapid technological change in the financial system and services sector around the world, how has it impacted the insurance industry?
So there has been a lot of technological improvements, and now with the introduction of AI, the ability to chain data and provide more meaningful information is gonna change the way insurers price their products, assess the claims as well as automating the underwriting process, which again helps from an insurer perspective, helps insurance companies issue policies a lot more faster. I mean, in developed economies, especially for around the medical insurance space, we have some providers offering watches, smart watches, which can track if you're doing exercise on a regular basis, and all of that actually helps reduce your premiums, renewal premiums. But in PNG, I mean, from our perspective, we have in terms of our technological advancements, we have got our system is very capable and able to issue policies via emails. We are working on actually setting up automated, or not an automated, but onboarding through a tablet, where our advisors right now, they actually go out and get our customers to fill application forms manually. So we're working on getting them tablets where they can do digital onboarding, as well as claims can be assessed digitally as well. So there is a bit of work happening, but what we're seeing from awareness perspective, and as Matthew has mentioned, there's less than 3% of Papua New Guineans have some form of insurance or life insurance. So there's still a long way to go in terms of understanding what life insurance is and how it can benefit everyday Papua New Guineans. So that's why the model we have adopted is through an advisor network. So where we have insurance advisors who go out and engage with people on a one-on-one basis, so they understand about the product in detail before signing them up.
How have you found the regulatory environment within the life insurance industry in Papua New Guinea?
So the life insurance in Papua New Guinea is regulated by Bank of Papua New Guinea, and general insurance is regulated by the Office of the Insurance Commissioner through the Department of Treasury. both the life insurers and the general insurers have to comply with their respective acts as well as prudential standards. So there's very strong governance and risk management requirements, and it is very important that the regulators do the job properly, because we don't only run an insurance company, but we are also custodians of people's money. So we need to make sure that the insurance companies have adequate funds, and especially for us when our policies are long-term, 15 years minimum for the Wantok Delight product, that we have adequate funds in the business to be able to pay those claims when they fall due. So it is very well regulated, and Bank of PNG actually conducts regular reviews to ensure that all our books are in order.
Why does PNG need insurance more than ever now?
I think we have been, Malcolm, we have been reading this, I think, and I'm probably not the only one who's raised that a few times, but there's a lot of other people, a lot of other NGOs have raised it, and doctors have raised it as well, is PNG is actually going through a health crisis. If we look at our claims data since inception, so we've paid over 2,500 claims with over 55 million in claims cost. And what we're seeing from that claims trend is that the average age of our insured who are passing away is around 40 to 45 years, which is actually the prime age of most people. By that age, you should be in a secure job and starting to enjoy life a lot more, because you're in a much, your salary or income would be much better than what you would have had before. And what's also alarming is that most of these, the illnesses which cause these deaths are through non-communicable diseases and preventable lifestyle diseases as well, such as cancer and cardiac related issues. So you need to make sure that, I think the one thing that everyone needs to make sure is we need to eat right, we need to exercise regularly, and we also need to get regular medical checkups. That's very, very important. So while life insurance, of course, is a safety mechanism, right? Is there to provide that protection if the breadwinner passes away. It eases the financial pressure on the family. But like the product we have, which is what we call Wantok Delight, we want our policyholders to actually benefit or enjoy the proceeds of their life insurance payouts. So if people live healthy, they eat right, they exercise regularly, they'll be able to enjoy the benefits of their life insurance product.
Thank you, Nielsen. We now go for a quick break. Join us on the other side for more discussions. Welcome back. You're watching InFocus. Now, Matthew, I understand you have new product services like the Wantok Delight. Could you tell us about it?
Thank you, Malcolm. So, like what I mentioned earlier, so Wantok Delight is one of our products that's on offer, and no other insurance company in PNG is offering a similar product. It is a long-term product, and it has 4 policy terms, meaning a customer can choose 4 terms if they want to take out a policy. The terms are 15 years, 18 years, 21 years, and 24 years. So let me just use an example to explain the benefits of this product and how this product works. So like what I mentioned earlier, so if a customer opts to take out a 50,000 policy, the cash benefit, which is paid out every 3 years throughout the term of the policy, will be 5,000, because the cash benefit is calculated as 10% of the sum insured, which is 50,000. So if a customer takes out a 50,000 policy for 15 years, that basically means that on the 3rd year, the first 5,000 will be paid to the customer. That's tax-free. On the 6th year, provided that the customer is still alive, the BSP Life will pay out the second lot of 5,000. And again, that's tax-free. On the 9th year, another 3rd lot of 5,000 will be paid. On the 12th year, that's the 4th lot of 5,000 will be paid. On the 15th year, that's when the policy will mature. And that's when BSP Life will pay out the maturity benefit, which is the balance of the total sum insured, as well as accumulated bonuses. Let me touch on the bonus aspect of it. That's an important benefit as well. So just like what super funds do, where every time they declare a profit, they declare an additional interest that's added onto a customer's super fund savings. BSP Life does that as well. When every year, when BSP Life does well, it declares a bonus. And that bonus is added onto the policy value of a customer, and it's done annually on a compounding basis. That bonus is paid out at maturity with the maturity payout, or in the event of a claim, the bonus is also paid out as part of the claim. So that's in terms of Wantok Delight and some of the benefits that come with Wantok Delight. Because it is a long-term product, we encourage a younger generation in Papua New Guinea to take out this product because it's like a disciplined savings for a long term. A lot of Papua New Guineans do not think of savings, especially younger people who graduate from university or colleges and come out and work, and they don't think of savings. And then when reality struck during, their mid-career and they want to buy a house or get married or buy a vehicle, then, there's equity component that needs to come with that. And a lot of our younger people don't have that. So we'd like to encourage, younger people who are just entering the workforce to think seriously about savings. Apart from savings through the bank, you can save in a disciplined manner through this life insurance product.
Now, Nielsen, why is it important to commemorate the International Insurance Awareness Day on June 28th? And what campaigns will you be running?
So, as I mentioned earlier, Insurance Awareness Day is not just a date. It's a day to remind us, to be protected with insurance. As I've already mentioned around the health statistics, we need to have insurance to cover for the financial loss that happens to the family if the breadwinner passes away. Because we don't have a strong social security system that covers for the shortfall, and kids effectively, in the instances where they drop out of school and families are actually losing out homes as well. So Insurance Awareness Day is a reminder that insurance is very, very important. It's not just a want, it's a need for every family, and it's important to be protected. From our perspective, we run campaigns every year. So we've been running an essay competition every year for the past 3 years as well, and we've been running it again this year. So the essay competition was from 26th of May to 20th of June. So entries have closed now, and we'll be announcing the winners on Monday 30th of June. And in terms of, there's also an issue of people not being able to access information and insurance as well. So with BSP Life, you can be rest assured we have got I've got a large advisor network. So we have more than 130 insurance advisors, as Mary mentioned. They'll be able to come to you and talk to you about the importance of life insurance and how they can structure a product that is suitable in terms of their disposable income as well. And if you are in Port Moresby, we also have an insurance advisor based at our waterfront branch in Konedubu every Wednesday. So, if you want, you can also visit the branch and talk to our advisor as well.
Finally, do you have any concluding remarks you'd like to make? Perhaps you'll start with Matthew.
Thanks, Malcolm. So I think insurance, or life insurance for that matter, is very, very important. That's the message that we'd like to drive. We have sales initiatives that we conduct, and we ensure that we carry out awareness initiatives. It's a responsible thing to do. We encourage people to take out life insurance, think of the loved ones, even for younger generation who are entering the workforce. It's important to invest or take out this policy, Wantok Delight, which is like an avenue for long-term savings and a disciplined savings. And I guess to address this misconception around life insurance, which a lot of our people think of it as, planning for your death, it's a very wrong perception. We should see life insurance as a responsible behavior and a way of planning for the future.
Thanks, Malcolm. So following on to what Matthew has said, so life insurance is about protecting who you care about most, and this is your loved ones. With the Wantok Delight, which is our flagship product, we right now have about 10,000 policy holders generating about 21 million in premiums. The intention is to actually get more people insured so they can be protected with insurance, and they can also save for the long term. We also have this misconception that a lot of people, when we talk to, the view is that, I'm healthy, why should I get life insurance now? So they say the best time to get a life insurance policy was yesterday. The second best time is today, because we're not sure of what's going to happen now, and we're not sure what's going to happen tomorrow. So buy life insurance when you're young and healthy, because that's a time when the premiums are lower, because insurance premiums are based on age. And once you get medical issues, it becomes harder to get a life insurance policy, because most of the insurers will either decline to provide you insurance cover, or they would charge you higher premiums. So with Wantok Delight, as we've said earlier, it provides that protection element, and it provides that saving as well. And if any of our viewers would like to know more about our products or our business, you can send us an email on servicebsplife@bsp.com.pg, or you can visit our website at www.bsplife.com.pg as well. So our website has all the information on our products, as well as our board and management and all our insurance advisors. It also has a very interactive quote calculator. So if you want to try out a quotation yourself, so you can do that on our website, or you can just send us an email and we'll get an advisor to come and visit you. Thank you.
Nielsen Singh and Matthew Hasu, thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Malcolm.
Thank you.
Well, viewers, that's all the time we have for this edition of InFocus. Do join us again next week, Monday, on our regular time slot of 7 p.m. Till then, bye for now.
This program was proudly brought to you by Telecom Limited and Daytech.